Nadali, tingnan niyo ang mukha. Tingnan, have a look at her. Daddy.
And then the octopus
When she came in.
the scales to the other fish who doesn't. They're the only one who's the most beautifulest.
Tukiya, anak, oy. What are you doing, Ling? That doesn't fit, honey. You need coins. Yeah. Yeah.
What is this?
Oh, not the star. It's not gonna fit, my love. Use this one.
What is this?
Oh, that's the band for Mama's exercise. That's not for the head, Ling, no?
What is it for? What is it for?
It's for Mama's leg.
How?
Like this, babe. Mama put on the leg, and then Mama will do exercise. Like this, you know. Like this. So Mama will be healthy and fit.
Meow, Jay. Have to walk sideways.
Yes. Have to squat. Okay. Now squat like this. Like that, yeah. No, show Daddy. Show Daddy. Show squat. Okay. See Daddy. Like that. Like that. Sige, keep going. Agay.
If I stop, it
Yeah.
will come off.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Oh, done. Silini.
There's a green
Hi,
one.
Saling. So, hi, hi. Hi, everyone.
Wow. Hey,
Huh?
mine. And look what I can do.
Wow. Wait. Do you want to do workout as well? Huh?
Yay!
Ayan, yan. Sinead. Ayun! Sige, sash na. Di mo na. Di mo na, sash. Sash, be. Show me, be. Sanak. Silin. 1. Come on.
That legs.
No, look at the Paris. Sige na, squat na. Show Celine. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about you? Ini. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I see you. Peekaboo. Uy. 2,
Hey, here's
3, 4. Celine is really good at this.
Am I more better?
Binilihan ako ni Danny Mike niyan,
Am I
guys.
more better?
Yes. Kasi pang workout ko dito sa bahay.
Mommy, where's the copies?
Good afternoon, guys! Happy Sunday, everyone! It is currently 2:30 ng hapon. Ngayon lang tayo nakapag-vlog. Anyways, nakita ko sa inyo, si Daddy Mike pumunta ng gym kaninang umaga. Pagka uwi niya, may bit-bit siyang ganito. Sabi niya, binilhan niya daw ako. Aww, Daddy Mike. So, yung mga pinaglaruan ng mga kids kanina, yung resistance band, ewan ko kay Daddy Mike ba't binilhan niya ako ulit. But this time, it's set of 3. So, may light, medium, at saka heavy. Kasi sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, yung isang binili namin last time, too light for me. So, binilhan niya ako ng ano. Tapos, meron pang tie toner. Bumungga to ating Daddy Mike, uy. Nakita niya kasi na motivated ako at the moment, guys. And also, determined ako sa aking, alam niyo yung Balik Alindog program. Hindi naman sa Balik Alindog, guys. But it's more like health and fitness. So, dito sa bahay, titingin lang ako sa YouTube ng ano lang. 10 minutes na workout. And, yeah, nakita siguro ni Daddy Mike na, yun yung gusto kong gawin at the moment. Especially kapag, Celine is having a nap. Or kapag dito si Celine naglalaro. Ganyan. So, there's another one here. Suspension trainer. Ayan. Iano ko daw, ikabit ko daw sa likuran ng door. Tapos, yeah, I can do different type of, tingnan nyo. Mga workout. So, yeah. Exciting. Pag siguro alam kasi ni Daddy Mike, guys, because he's really into this, yes. So, kapag meron kang mga aparatos, mga tools, mga ganito, you're more, parang napupush ka na ganito. Workout. So, at the moment, alam nyo ba, guys, yung inaano ko at the moment is yung lower na yung tawag ito, yung bamba, para magkalaman-laman. Ito yung gusto kong i-workout at the moment. So, yeah. Another, hobby.
A few moments later.
Maybe you can share then. Hey, Nini girl. You ask nicely, okay? Ate Paris, give her one, please.
1 page?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you 1 page.
Okay, you can have 1 page, okay? There you go. What do you say? Say thank you, ate.
Then,
Celine, say thank you, ate.
bye.
Bahay na noon. Read her story, ate.
And then, after that, the rainbow fish said, why
Daddy's just putting the pram sa likuran na.
it was a big octopus and the octopus said,
Good time.
the rainbow fish said, why does no one want to play with me? And the octopus said, you should share, and I know what happened in the story. You didn't want to share your skills.
Aww. Tingnan niyo guys, wala yung binabasa eh. He's making it up. Uy, Lolo, excited!
And then,
Thank you. Just put it in.
then,
Daddy, tingnan niyo ang mukha. Tingnan, have a look at her, Daddy.
and
face.
then, the octopus
When you came in.
share your skills to the other who doesn't. You're the only one who's the most beautiful.
Yeah, anak, oy. Ready, steady,
The fish said,
go! Ready, steady,
go.
go! Yeah. Nakatulog ang ating Ate Paris car. Kaya ayan, very sleepy pa. Bit pa more. Yeah. So I want to get my vegetables and my fish and my meat from here, guys. So una tayo sa fish kasi mag-close na yung fish market at 4:30. So at least meron tayong isang oras doon before tayo mag tingin-tingin sa ibang mga bagay-bagay dito. At Ate Paris sa sleepy pa. Ay, Suki. Suki Lala. Yung bayapas. Oh, wow. Yeah. It's nice. I'll go that way. Where we went last time for fish, Daddy. They've got fruit there as well. Ha? Ay, gusto sigurong kumain ni Daddy Mike. What time back, Lars, Daddy? Oh, mango smells good. Bayabas, dragon fruit. Oh wow, baka may rambutan talaga, guys. My goodness.
That means,
Yeah?
konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa, that's right. Gawin ba ba? Di ba na gawin? Oh, Thursday. Hindi na ako guys. Pagkita pa yun sa inyo mamaya. So, dati Mike, naghiwalay kami kanina. Kumain na pala sila. Man, ano kami, Mama? I wanna go to the Filipino restaurant
Mama.
before they close.
Go, Mama.
Yummy lang?
I
Yeah.
think Slay wants to stay here too.
Soup.
I think Slay wants to stay here.
Yeah, but it's very hot.
Come, let's go. Dito na naman tayo. Nag-order ako for takeaway. May torta sila dito. Thank you. Oh, careful enough. Look, what is this? God, hello, hello. Yummy, yummy. Tatlo yung putahin na in-order ko guys, pero take away lang sila lahat. I don't know, maybe kain ako dito. I'm so hungry man. Let's eat lang. Up. You have to halo na. Ito mas makita ang kung dali lang. Dali din. Dali. Oh no. No, pick it up lang, please lang. Thank you, Ben. Uy, hindi ka. Nana.
I want bread.
Yeah, all bread. Alalala. Nagkaububuan na. Wanna go Aldi?
You got Audi or you got Woolies?
Alright guys, natapos na tayo doon sa Filipino restaurant. Ito na ang aking bit-bit. Ayan ang ating mga pagkain there. Ang aking halo-halo ay may naiwan pa. So, si Danny Mike at Ate Paris, pumunta sila ng Woolies. So, may Woolworths, yung grocery sa loob dyan. So, kailangan lang nilang bumili ng mga kakailanganin ni Ate Paris for her lunchbox this week. And then, lumabas kami ni Baby Celine. Gusto kong bumili nito guys. Yung ating paspas. Kailangan na natin ng bago. Hala, bakit $10 na ito dito? $8. $5 dito sa kabila. $10 siya. Magkaiba pala. Merong $6.50. Ano ka? Kaibahan. This one is probably stiff. Okay. Ito siya $10. Kayaan, $6.50. Okay. Maybe we'll get this one. The $10 one. Pas ni Inday Celine. Yes! Nintay lang namin si Daddy Mike at si Ate Paris, guys. Is that your pas? So, habang naghihintay, pumasok ako dyan sa loob ng meat shop. Bumili ako ng pork bones ba para pang sabaw. Ngayon, sabi ko 2 kilo lang guys kasi $2.50 yung isang kilo. Na nilabas 3 kilo. Hindi na sila uli. Sabi niya, is it okay? Okay. For sure naman, inano niya yun na talagang more than 2 kilos. Anyways, ayan, pwede naman niyang ilagay sa freezer para, ano, ito mami, kunis. Sa freezer, pwedeng, ano ba, for next week, basta naka-freeze lang. Yung water lang. Yan kasi yung mahirap bilhin sa ano, Woolies, tsaka Coles, yung mga, ano, meron silang beef bones, pero bihira lang ako makakita ng pork bones. Yeah? Here you go. Oh, wow. For home, hindi ko pala na-party sa second guys. Lalabas na ni Daddy yung mga napamili namin. Yung ating baby Celine ay natutulog. Ayan o. Dali. Shall I wake Celine up? Huh?
He's already asleep today.
Where's the sun, Daddy?
Huh?
Where's the sun?
What do you mean, what's this on? I'm not swinging because like
She's still wearing.
I'm gonna carry that.
Naubos ko ng ano, halo-halo ko guys, tinapon ko yung sabaw-sabaw niya. Ate, di ba kama natin? What are you waiting for? TV girl. Good job. Ang isa, ayun, kulungan ko eh. Oh na. Look what you're doing, ate. It's now 6:26 ng hapon. Hey, hi, saan ka, baby?
Hello.
Nakatulog ang ating baby rin sa sasakyan. Dinala ko sa kwarto, tulog pa rin. Ayun pala, di. Gonna show them quickly what I bought. At least the one we bought from Woolies. So, ang aking nakamali from ano, isda. So, oh, yeah. Kailangan nyo itong anuhin. Hindi, hindi ko magpapakita sa inyo isa-isa. Uy, basta may sapsap para ano, sabaw. Meron din tayong ulo ng salmon. So, sabawin natin yun. Alam niyo naman, mahilig ako sa ulo, guys. Ano pa bang meron? Bili ako ng pusit. And then, ano bang bili ko sa fish market? Bumili din ako ng 2 crabs. So, gagawin ko dyan ay gagataan natin yan. Sometime this week. Hindi ko na pagka-isa-isa kaya nangangamoy na nga guys eh. Yung 3 kilong pork bones. Ayan na rin. And then, bumili ako ng bayabas. Mahal ng bayabas nila eh. Bumili rin ako ng grapes. Alam niyo ba ang rambutan? I really wanted to get rambutan from Daddy Mike last night. Rambutan, $40 a kilo. Sobrang mahal guys, grabe. Daddy know that the one at Woolies last time was $18 per kilo. And that one was like 40. Insane. So we got the grapes. This is so cute. Tingnan yung lit-lit ng mga grapes nila. Pero, matamis daw ito. Then, bumili ako ng kangkong na para sa ating mga sabaw-sabaw. Ayan. Kasi yung spinach nila dito sa, yung Australian na spinach nila. Iba kasi guys, yung mabibili mo sa Woolworths or Coles. Then, bumili ako ng sayote. 2 sayote. So, last time, nagsabaw ako. Iwan ko kung nakapag-vlog ako nun. Naghanap ako ng sayote. Wala talaga sa sayote dito, guys. Doon lang sa Asian market meron sila. So, yung ginamit ko last time is yung papaya. Yung green pa na papaya ba? Yun yung ginamit ko na pang sahog. Ang liit-liit ng ginger na aking binili. Masarap. Ito, wala silang Knorr cubes. Kasi Vietnamese shop talaga yung pinuntahan ko dun. So, apparently this is beef and this is chicken. Pag nagsabaw ka ba? Ayan. Parehas na sibuyas na, iba lang yung pangalan.
I want you to try my rice pepper rolls. I've got the stuff to put inside it.
Yeah. We've got tocino, and then sinigang sampalok mix. Yung mga masutas. And last one here is white rabbit. Alam ito yung white rabbit na ano guys, yung malalaki. I think yung nakakain ata yung ano ba. Sarap nito. Diba? And then, napasok ko na Daddy Mike yung mga pinamili niya from Woolies. Oh, meron ba ako kita? Itong bones, pork bones na to, i-ano ko siya, i-separate ko siya ba? I-ano ko lang kung sa isang lutuan, ganito, ganyan. Kasi, pag frozen yan, mahirap man na ito, tapos hindi naman lutuin lahat ng sayang. Segregate.
What I do for them.
Yeah, I showed to them. And then, ito yung binili ko from the Filipino restaurant. Tinake away ko na lang. So, ito yung chicken. Kasama nito yung spaghetti. Spaghetti. And then, kinain ko yung lechon kawali doon. Oh my goodness, sobrang tigas. Sobrang tigas ng meat. Masarap ko naman sana. Tigas ng meat. Bumili ako ng torta. And then, last but not least is yung tinulang manok. So, nilagyan mo nila ng ano to? Ayan. Yan. Atin na nilagay. So, if it's straight drive lang pala doon. Was it 30 minutes ba?
Yeah.
It's not too bad. Ito yung beef bones. Pork bones nila, oh.
Flour.
Literal talaga na bones, no? Ayan, so, meron namang kunting-kunting, ano, mga meat. But mainly for me is yung sabaw talaga, guys. Gusto ko yung mga ganito ba. So, sisegregate ko silang ganyan. Kung ano sa isang lutuan. Wala, grabe ka. Bukog-bukog. Uy, wala man eh. Ano? Daddy, I said pork buns. It's literally burns. It's burns. It's no meat. Ito lang, merong isa. Ito, it looks like there's a little bit of meat. Yeah, my goodness. But, I'll give it to them, yeah? Credit to them. It looks fresh. Like, hindi siya, ano ba? Siguro, dalawahan na lang siguro to. Ewan ko lang. Kasi that's one. Maybe tatluhin ko na lang. Tingnan niyo ang ginawa niya. Gusto niyang mag-dress up at pinapapili niya ako kung saan dito. Okay, so this is Moana. This is
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig. Pan-pantiro nga.
Because it's the same color.
Yeah,
What about this one?
I don't know.
What about Valentine?
Valentine's, okay?
Because it has a heart.
Okay.
Elsa!
Elsa. Okay, I think I like Elsa.
Okay.
Alright, put the Elsa.
Then you pick another one for me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Okay. Itong batang talaga to ay mahilig sa
Bye, can you sit,
manis.
please? It's better with lipstick.
You reckon?
To more be a
hold it.
princess.
Kami? Magkagubot na punta dani karon.
And I know something really bad for princesses. Out of these. Out of these ones, mine. This one, or this one, or or this one, or this one. Definitely not using my school one because that's
I know, I think I know that one there.
no. Hold on, I just say it up for you. You see them.
Yeah, that one matches your dress, so.
Mom, just want to choose. You can just choose.
That one.
No, I'm not.
Okay, so here are our options. And this is Adi Paris's dress.
Mine. Take a photo. You can take a photo of these. You can also take a photo of their dresses. Would you like?
Okay,
Take a photo of that one.
yeah, I'm taking a video. I think this one.
Yay! That's what I was thinking too.
Yeah, show me.
Let's try them on
Okay.
to see what's better on.
Show me. Oh, that's cute.
Now let's take this one off and then choose another one. Choose another beautiful one.
Okay.
We got a pearly one.
You know, it's really hard, Paris, because they're all beautiful.
It's really hard, but don't pick that one over there.
About this one. Put it on.
This one's hard. Can you try
Is it
right
broken?
here?
Yeah, put it there. What did Daddy say? How many more minutes?
Let me go help make it. Ready? How many minutes are we going to bed?
22.
22.
22 minutes?
Huh?
22 minutes and you'll be in bed?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to choose the best one now because you have to go get ready for bed. Isn't that right? So you have school tomorrow. Aww, cutie!
Gotta take this one off now. Now with that one. Don't pick that one or that one.
Why did you put it there? If there are not options.
No.
This one is nice too. This is cute.
Let me try that one on.
Yeah.
I can't put that really on. It's only a rubber band. See? Hi guys. My name is Paris. Maya's gonna decorate my hair. She's gonna pick a hair thing, like a hair decoration, like hair clips. Your turn to talk. Your turn to talk.
Okay, my turn. Okay, so now I'm going to choose the best one that will suit Paris's dress.
And we're going to try every single one, but not all of it. Just some of them.
Some of them.
We're gonna try.
Okay. How about let's try this red one?
Okay.
That's a good contrast. It's green and red on your head.
Hi.
Oh wow.
Let's try another one.
Let's try another one. Okay.
Right, this is gonna be my chair.
Kailangan talagang nakaupo dyan na.
Right, pick another object.
I'll pick another object. Okay. How about this crown? So you look like a queen. Show me.
I can't really put this on.
Or not?
Like that, okay?
Oh, cute. I think that's the best.
Why?
Shall maybe. Mama will do it, I think, on this side. See, it's like a crown.
Now let's do another one.
Yan natin itong binili ni Daddy Mike eh. So, 3. Wala naman nakalagay lang, kilos. Ito yung binili namin last. It says 4 to 12 kilos. By the way, tulog na yung mga kids, guys. Daddy Mike nanonood ng kanyang show. Tinatry ko, wala naman nakalagay. Ah, the red one is the heavy. So the black one. That's not as...
Is that the heavy one? Or?
Yeah, it's very similar.
Mhm.
It's very similar. Hey.
I didn't try that one.
Huh?
Fly one.
I should stand straight away, yeah? Should be like this.
Yeah, unfortunately, Bronte, she goes through a lot more than that front one. I know it was endometriosis
It's very nice. I see if I want a light one. It's 10:43.
Have a look at that. Have a look what I found. No, this is in Wollongabba.
Right, let's set our next couple up.
I like this kitchen.
Is that for sale?
Yeah.
Hey, Danny.
So,